It is of utmost importance for us to understand the situation inside Tibet and be able to tell the international community as to what exactly is going on inside Tibet. China employs all kinds of artificial intelligence, whether it's in the form of electronic identification or geolocation or DNA profiling of the Tibetans or iris scanning of the Tibetans. All these are meant to use against the Tibetans to control more and more. And then the next step is how do we change the younger generations of Tibetans into Chinese? And that is exactly what they're doing through the colonial-style boarding schools. The management of the monastic institutions have been taken over by multiple security agencies. So Tibetans have no say in the management of monasteries. Tibetans don't even have a say in where they want to go. You need at least 4 or 5 different permits if you are traveling across Tibet. Information is one area that Chinese government controls all the time. In terms of Tibet, it is all the more difficult because in the last several years, nobody has been able to move into Tibet. Nobody has been able to come out of Tibet. It is in a way totally shut down from the international community.